Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we uncover the top products you need to know about. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we dive into an exciting countdown of the best-selling candle-making products on Amazon. In today's presentation, we'll explore the hottest and most sought-after items in the world of candle making. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these products are sure to inspire and elevate your craft. Without further ado, let's jump right into our countdown and discover what makes these candle-making essentials stand out from the rest. At number 10 in our countdown of the best-selling candle-making products on Amazon, we present the Beesworks Yellow Beeswax Pellets. Picture this: 100% pure, grade A, triple-filtered beeswax, straight from nature's hive to your hands. This isn't just any beeswax. It's a premium cosmetic-grade marvel, free of additives, ensuring that every drop of your creation is as effective and safe as can be. Whether you're a novice eager to dive into DIY projects or a seasoned crafter, Beesworks. Beeswax makes your journey seamless. Its easy measurement and quick melting properties cater to every level of expertise, making it an ideal choice for your next creative venture. But that's not all. Infused with vitamin A, this beeswax isn't just for candles. It's a boon for your skin. It helps with cell turnover, tackles wrinkles, and reduces age spots while moisturizing without clogging pores. From luxurious lotions and lip balms to beard wax and deodorants, its cosmetic applications are as diverse as your imagination. And the versatility doesn't stop there. With its subtle fragrance, Beesworks Beeswax is perfect for a range of home crafts. Think candles, soap making, wood and leather polish, lubricants, and even envelope seals. So embrace the quality that surpasses expectations with Beesworks Beeswax. With our 100% customer satisfaction promise, you can craft with confidence knowing that this beeswax will always be as reliable and enduring as your creativity. Dive into your next project with the assurance of premium quality, because at Beesworks, excellence is not just a promise, it's a guarantee. Coming in at number 9 in our top 10 countdown of best-selling candle-making products on Amazon is the Yasne White Beeswax Pellets. Imagine pure organic bliss. This beeswax is 100% organic, triple-filtered, and absolutely free from pesticides, chemicals, and toxins. It's cosmetic-grade, ensuring you're using only the best for your DIY creations. These pellets, sourced from natural bee farms, are crafted without any additives or synthetic ingredients. It's pure beeswax in its most natural form, ready to elevate your crafting experience. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned pro, Yasne Beeswax offers effortless melting for all your projects. Create your own body products, lipsticks, lip balms, candles, and so much more. The process is not only enjoyable but also results in healthier, handmade creations that truly shine. But there's more. Beeswax is renowned for its skin benefits. It helps make dry skin smoother and softer, offering natural care that's as effective as it is gentle. And because we stand by our product, we offer a 30-day return and refund guarantee. If for any reason our beeswax doesn't meet your expectations, we're here to help. So, dive into your next DIY project with confidence and discover the natural quality of Yasne White Beeswax Pellets. At number 8 in our countdown of the best-selling candle-making products on Amazon, we present the Ultimate Candle Wick Kit. This all-inclusive set is designed to elevate your candle-making experience with precision and ease. Inside this kit, you'll find 60 premium cotton candle wicks, each meticulously crafted with a high melt coating of natural wax. This ensures maximum rigidity and smooth pouring, giving your candles a flawless finish every time. The natural cotton-braided wicks are versatile, suitable for all candle types, whether you're working with soy, paraffin, palm, or even heavily scented blends like citronella. But that's not all. This comprehensive kit also includes 60 wick stickers, 2 wick holders, 4 candle tags, and 1 wick placing tube. The wick holders are a game changer, keeping your wicks upright and centered as you pour the wax, ensuring an even burn and a polished look. Perfectly sized for containers with diameters of approximately 2.4 to 2.8 inches, this kit makes it easy to create candles that not only look great but burn beautifully. With everything you need in one box, you're set to transform your candle-making projects into masterpieces. Elevate your craft with this candle wick kit and enjoy the process of creating perfect candles every time. At number 7 in our top 10 countdown of best-selling candle-making products on Amazon, we unveil the exquisite 100 milliliters coconut and vanilla fragrance oils from Mayjam. Imagine a fragrance so captivating that it transforms any space into a haven of soothing bliss. These fragrance oils are highly concentrated, delivering a scent that is both rich and complex, with a long-lasting aroma that lingers delightfully. The blend of succulent fruity notes at the opening seamlessly transitions into a base of warm, gourmand, and powdery floral undertones, creating a simple yet captivating scent profile. Each bottle is thoughtfully designed, encased in a 100 milliliters amber glass container to preserve the integrity of the fragrance, and paired with a premium quality glass dropper for precise application. This ensures you get the exact amount of fragrance you need every time. But the versatility doesn't end there. While perfect for diffusers, these oils are also ideal for enhancing soaps, candles, and bath bombs. Craft your own unique scents and indulge in the joy of DIY projects, all while enjoying the delightful aromas. Presented in elegant packaging, these fragrance oils make for an ideal gift, perfect for birthdays or holidays. And if you encounter any issues, our commitment to your satisfaction means you can contact us for a free replacement or refund. Elevate your sensory experience with Mayjam's coconut and vanilla fragrance oils, and let every breath be a journey into fragrant bliss. At number 6 in our countdown of the best-selling candle-making products on Amazon, we introduce the Beesworks Yellow Beeswax Bars. These bars are not just wax, they're a gateway to crafting perfection. Imagine pure, grade A beeswax, triple filtered to the highest cosmetic grade. Each bar is 100% pure and free from additives, ensuring you're using only the finest wax for your projects. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned crafter, these bars are designed for ease of use. They're simple to measure and melt quickly, making your DIY projects smoother and more enjoyable. But it doesn't stop there. This beeswax is rich in vitamin A, a powerhouse ingredient known for its ability to aid in cell turnover, diminish wrinkles, and reduce age spots. It's perfect for creating your own lotions, lip balms, creams, beard waxes, deodorants, and salves, moisturizing your skin without clogging pores. Versatility is the name of the game with Beesworks Yellow Beeswax Bars. Their subtle fragrance and high quality make them ideal for a multitude of applications, from candle and soap making to wood and leather polish, lubricants, crayons, and even envelope seals. Each pack contains 6 bars, each weighing approximately 1 ounce, with a total weight of 6 ounces or more. Perfect for all your crafting needs, these beeswax bars promise a superior experience and endless creative possibilities. Unleash your crafting potential with Beesworks Yellow Beeswax Bars and experience the pure, high-quality difference. Are you loving the countdown of the top candle-making products on Amazon? Light up your support by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon so you never miss out on our next glowing review. Number 5 in our top 10 countdown of best-selling candle-making products on Amazon is the EricX Light 100-piece Cotton Candle Wick Set. Picture this: 100 pre-waxed, pre-tabbed cotton wicks, each 6 inches long, ready to transform your candle-making endeavors into a breeze. These wicks come pre-waxed for convenience and tabbed for easy handling, ensuring that every candle you make burns evenly and beautifully. The 12.5 mm base diameter offers stability, so you can focus on crafting without worrying about wick performance. Crafted from 100% cotton, these wicks are free from lead, zinc, and other metals, ensuring a clean, safe burn for every candle. They're ideal for a wide range of candle-making projects, providing you with a reliable foundation for your creativity. However, a note of caution: while crafting, be mindful of the amount of dye and scent you use. Excessive amounts can impact the burning effectiveness, causing smoke and affecting how well your candles stay lit. So, elevate your candle making with EricX Light Cotton Wicks. With this set, your DIY projects will shine with brilliance and consistency. Light up your creativity and let each candle burn with perfection. At number 4 in our top 10 countdown of the best-selling candle-making products on Amazon, we present the White Beeswax Pellets, 2 pounds of pure, natural perfection. Imagine premium quality beeswax, meticulously triple filtered to ensure it's as pure as can be, ready to elevate your DIY projects. These 100% natural white beeswax pellets are the epitome of versatility and purity. Whether you're crafting skincare products, making luxurious lotions, or even whipping up your own lip balms, this beeswax is your ideal companion. The same goes for candle making and furniture polish, proving its worth across a multitude of applications. Each pellet is crafted to meet the highest standards of cosmetic-grade quality, delivering a clean, effective base for all your creative needs. And the best part? This top-quality beeswax comes at an affordable price, making it accessible for both seasoned crafters and enthusiastic beginners alike. With white beeswax pellets, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in the foundation of countless DIY creations. Enhance your projects with the trusted quality of this premium beeswax, and let your creativity shine. At number 3 in our countdown of the top-selling candle-making products on Amazon, we spotlight the American Soy Organics Freedom Soy Wax Beads. Here's a product that embodies everything you need for creating exceptional candles. These natural soy wax beads are the cornerstone of superior candle making. Ethically produced and completely paraffin-free, they offer a smooth, creamy texture that's perfect for container candles, tea lights, and wax melts. Imagine the ease of melting these beads in your microwave, wax melter, or double boiler. No fuss, just smooth, beautiful wax. Beginners and experts alike will appreciate the simplicity of using soy wax beads. Heat them to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, stir in your favorite fragrance and color, and pour into molds. It's that straightforward, making it a breeze to craft personalized candles. Customization is key, and these beads deliver. With a melting point of 115 to 121 degrees Fahrenheit, they melt uniformly and can be colored into any hue using candle dye. Their maximum fragrance load of 10% ensures that your candles retain their delightful scent for an extended period. But it's not just about performance. Our soy wax beads are made from soybeans grown in America's Midwest, ensuring they're both safe and eco-friendly. They're paraffin-free, beeswax-free, and sustainably produced, offering a greener choice for your crafting needs. Achieve perfect candle creations every time with American Soy Organics Freedom Soy Wax Beads. Elevate your DIY projects with a product that combines ease of use, customization, and environmental responsibility. Taking the second spot in our top 10 countdown, we present the P&J Trading Fragrance Oil in Amber. This 30 milliliters bottle is a game changer for all your scented DIY projects. Designed with versatility in mind, this fragrance oil isn't just for candle making, though it excels in creating delightful soy wax candles. It's also perfect for diffuser oil scents, freshy scents, and even your laundry. Imagine infusing your soap, bath bombs, or slime with a luxurious amber aroma. The possibilities are endless. Crafting becomes effortless with its amber shade bottle and easy dispensing Eurodropper cap. Whether you're creating car freshies, summer essentials, or any other craft, this oil is ready to elevate your creations with its rich, concentrated scent. P&J Trading brings over 30 years of expertise to each drop of this fragrance oil. Developed by IFRA-certified master perfumers, it's a premium-grade formula that's both safe and effective. Each scent is meticulously crafted to ensure a strong, lasting aroma. Not only is this fragrance oil cruelty-free and phthalate-free, but it's also proudly sourced and manufactured in the USA. With a flash point of over 624 degrees Fahrenheit, it guarantees safety and performance in every use. Elevate your DIY projects with the P&J Trading Amber Fragrance Oil and experience the magic of premium scenting like never before. Rounding out our top 10 countdown at number 1, we have a treat that's as sweet as it is versatile. The P&J Trading Bakery Set of 6 fragrance oils. This set brings together 6 irresistible scents: pumpkin pie, cupcake, sugar cookies, coffee cake, snickerdoodle, and Gingerbread. Each fragrance is a culinary delight, designed to elevate your candle making, soap crafting, and diffuser experiences. Whether you're whipping up soy wax candles, adding a touch of warmth to your bath bombs, or creating the perfect car freshie, this set covers all your scent needs. The amber shade bottles, equipped with easy dispensing Eurodropper caps, make application a breeze. Ideal for everything from home fragrances to skincare products, these oils seamlessly blend into any DIY project. With over 30 years of expertise, P&J Trading ensures these premium-grade oils are highly concentrated for a robust scent experience. Crafted by IFRA-certified master perfumers, each fragrance is not only potent, but also safe, cruelty-free, and phthalate-free. Plus, sourced and manufactured in the USA, these oils boast a flash point over 200 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring reliable performance. Presented in a beautifully designed gift box, this bakery set makes a delightful gift for any occasion, from birthdays to housewarmings. For those who appreciate a touch of culinary-inspired elegance in their crafts, the P&J Trading Bakery Set is your #1 choice for the ultimate fragrance experience. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling candle-making products on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.